Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and we've got three different options, so 720p, 1080p and 4K. All you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 4K. As you can see, the icon will immediately change, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.